Assalamu alaikum. So today we're bought this thing from Costco. It was Black Friday. It was from yesterday. Wait, was it? Yes. I forgot. We are gonna open it.
What is it called?
It's called Squish. Oh wait, jewelry designs with the same.
By which company? I think
SquishMallows.
SquishMallows,
My
right?
favorite. It's my favorite company because they.
Okay.
This big
But
one.
Nafizah, can you tell me what does it include in the back?
Oh, the back.
Yeah.
You can also buy I think, can you buy it at Walmart?
I'm not sure. You can find it in Costco.
But you can find it in Costco, but I'm not sure if you can find it in Walmart or other places.
Okay, wait. Let's start from the beginning, Nafizah.
59 Ozils.
Okay, wait, Nafizah. We need to focus. Okay, wait. Now tell me.
It's a thingamajig.
Okay.
I have
Let's
no
start.
idea.
Okay, let's start from the top, please.
Oh, include in.
Oh, that's a different language. So
Accelerated beads.
assorted beads.
Running donation of that.
Okay, let's read the next one. What is
Pearls and
assorted? You just have to read the first line because they're trying to translate that into a different language. I think. Okay, the next one is alphabet beads, right?
yeah. Oh yeah, we have it right here. And there's another one.
Okay.
And there's another one. These are my favorite. Yeah. There's
Okay.
this one and this one.
Nafizah, the next one, please.
Pink alphabet.
Pearls alphabet, okay. And then 15 jam beads, 12 animal beads, animals, okay.
Wait.
And then 8 special beads, 22 charms, 3 massage bars. Massage bars. Okay, those are the ones. I think these are the ones they're talking about.
Oh, which ones? These.
Yeah, those are the ones.
Oh, what are these again? Those are
Okay.
massage birds, right?
Yeah, massage bars.
You could
Okay.
take it off.
And then what's the next one?
Why do we need to read this?
Elastic. Wait, okay, the elastics.
Straight?
Okay, and then mini clears, right?
I think so.
Never heard of that one. Okay, and then 1 pencil spoon set.
And
What is
then the
it?
next one. Oh yeah, this.
No, wait. And then 2 necklace cords. Which ones are those?
Those are right.
No, those, yeah, they're kind of blue, right, and brown, okay. And the next one is the bracelet chain.
Yeah, they.
How many bracelet chain? Just one, okay.
No, 3.
No, I think it's that one
No.
next to it.
1, 2, 3. Wait, let me see.
But it says only 1 bracelet, okay, not the.
No,
And then the
3,
3 chains. Those are the 3 chains you're pointing to. And then wooden jewelry storage case. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Same with that.
You could store. I have a bunch
And the
of.
last one, not so much fun, but it says instructions. Okay.
We already know how to make a bracelet, so we don't. You did this.
Oh, it's just like I said, translation of that wooden jewelry storage case. Yeah.
This one is mine, anyways. Time to open it. I think I can do this one. Let me try. I'm gonna go get the scissors.
Okay. You don't need scissors, I think.
Ooh. Okay, we're going to safety gloves. Safety gloves. Good. I'm not a weak. So this is the wooden jewelry storage case.
Nice.
For beads. All of these things. So how many beads?
So can you slide it out and show?
12 beads in right here. And Daddy, why is there like rulers here?
So you can measure the strings if you want to make the bracelet, right?
Yeah, that's good.
They got strings in there too, right? Show me the strings.
We was like waiting for string. Now we have a lot. So yeah, we should save it. Good. We're gonna make a video. We're gonna make a what is it called again? A bracelet or necklace here, right?
Do you want to
making them.
Do you want to make one bracelet and show it to your friends?
Yes.
Okay, which one you gonna choose?
I can't.
Why not? What happened? Oh, they have plastic covers. Okay, nice. We can uncover them.
Oh, I think because.
Yeah, it's easy.
But I think because you have.
You can just lift it. Yeah.
But,
yeah.
but you have to pull over.
Oh wow, they
So
got something.
under this thing, we have here. That's so cool. I'm like,
What else you got?
we have
The
instructions.
instruction, yeah.
How is like open this? How are we supposed to open this? There you go.
They got some hidden jam, right? Oh.
Yummy. This is
Your
so
fingers are stuck. Okay.
yeah. That's stuff.
And that is an instruction book, right? They were talking about.
Yep. So, yeah, we already know how to make this on the bottom. So
Oh,
yeah.
we forgot to mention one thing.
What
It's
thing?
for 8+ years old children, right?
What?
Kids? Yeah.
And I'm 7.
So, but I'm here.
I'm
Since I'm here, that's why
I'm
you're allowed to do it. You're gonna do it under my supervision, okay?
Okay. What does
Right?
supervision mean?
Because I'll be watching you, so you don't get hurt.
You have to be careful because the beads. So when you open this plastic cover, be careful because all the beads will fall out and you need to pull. I can't get this out.
Are you one stuck now?
Can somebody help me? Excuse me.
Okay, I'll
You
help
knock
you.
it?
I'll help you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, let me just help. Like the Nafizah beads are everywhere now. Because did you already open it?
No, I need your help.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, let's
Be
put it.
careful. Your beads might come out. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
pick them up. You did.
But your beads might come out and then. Wait, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Silver, gold, silver. Why did I do that? Gold, gold, still gold. Why did I just do that? That was the weirdest. I don't know why I just did that. But yeah. Stay inside, gold.
Yeah, that's why you need to be very careful.
Yeah. Can you get?
They spread it all over, right?
Yeah. Yeah. They like go crazy. We have to sort this out.
Yeah, now you sort them out and fix them. Put them wherever they're supposed to be.
This is gonna take ages. Actually, no. There's a bunch in the seal. Is it called seal? Toys. Toys, yeah. There's a bunch. They're going inside. Grr. Yep. Anger rage going up. Anger rage going up. Get out of here, yo. Yo.
Are you done sorting?
We're almost. No.
So that's why. That's why you need to be patient, right? When you open it.
This one is for the Venus friend.
Oh, okay.
Her name is Asia. Her birthday is today. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're gonna take it for.
Yeah. So we all have the same thing. She asked for a Barbie doll. I don't know why, but we just got her this.
This is more fun and more interesting, right?
Yeah.
Than Barbie doll.
Yeah.
Because you can do a lot of activities. You can make bracelets, necklaces, right?
Yeah. Even Barbie dolls easily break, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you move, please?
And if they want to know the price, they can, write a comment and we can tell them the prices, right?
How do you rate a comment? It costs money.
No, not really.
No.
It has an option underneath the video, right?
I always wanted to do comments.
Yeah?
Yeah, we wanted to ask people stuff.
Yeah, only I think if you are
10,
nope, if you are
25.
allowed, right? If we disable it, they cannot comment. If we enable it, make it you know,
Did you
enable,
guys
then they
comment?
can comment. They will, inshallah.
Did you guys comment? Tell us.
Oh yeah, they will.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to know the price, right, of these,
Yeah.
they can comment
Yeah.
below, right, and then
Yeah.
we can tell them the price. Okay, let's make a bracelet and show it to them. Okay,
This girl is.
who's gonna go first?
Ugh.